Whatever your dreams may be, you are now one step closer. In just a matter of months, you have accomplished what others take years to achieve. Enjoy this moment, but know that it is only the beginning.
Couldn't be more thankful, and all the instructors just around who you connect with who weren't your primary, like a really great experience the whole way.
They were there for me every single time. I really do feel like I had some of the best and brightest instructors here.
My parents are my biggest supporters, so thank you, Mom and Dad. My roommates, another big support group for my guys. So
all the instructors, I think it's an amazing community where everybody's willing to help you.
This has been a great experience, honestly, because like I came in with my private and I was like, I gotta have something more structured, and Blue Line definitely offered that and gave that to me. With the great instructors that I had, everyone here, from my dad, who's a big supporter, and my mom, who's currently on FaceTime, it was a great experience, and I would do it all over again if I had the chance. So, yeah, thanks, guys.
You chose the path that would test your mental fortitude, your self-discipline, and your ability to overcome adversity. Continue to set goals, work hard, and never give up. Let your success here be the foundation that you build your future from. We're all very proud of you, and welcome to the Blue Line family.